Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Bullets Garage coming at you live with another project video for the Lexus GSF. Alright guys, before we get into this video, I want to give a big thank you. Excuse me, Frenchie. As you guys see, I got Frenchie with me today and Lily. She's wandering the house right now. I want to give a big shout out to you guys, all my subscribers. We're at 980 subscribers and it's been such a long road to get here. We got the car a year and a half ago, last August. We started making videos and slowly but surely the channel has been growing and we're almost at that 1,000 subscriber mark and I'm so excited to get there. So thank you guys for all of you that were subscribed and still are subscribed watching the videos. Love you guys. As always, what kind of father would I be if I didn't include Frenchie and Lily in the video? Right guys, y'all chilling today? Frenchie's chilling, Lily's always chilling, and it is absolutely freezing in Chicago, guys. Let me show you this. It is 10 degrees. Feels like 10, but look at the 10-day forecast. On Sunday it's going to be a high of 8. Next Wednesday, high of -7. That's a high, okay, and a low of -14. And I can't even imagine the wind chill that we're gonna have, but absolutely freezing. So hard to make videos because it's so freaking cold, but I got one today that's simple, so let's get into it. All right, today's project is in regards to the Vossen wheels that we have. So you could see the Vossen forged wheel cap that I have. It comes with a red Vossen logo. There's nothing, absolutely nothing red on the GSF. The calipers are orange, interior has blue stitching, the F badges on the bumper and the fenders have blue F, so the red unfortunately does not go with anything. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna change the color of these bad boys. So let's go ahead and first disassemble these V's and then we will talk about what color we're gonna do them for the car. So it's very simple. There's actually one little bolt on the back of these. So let's loosen this up and I will show you how we take this apart. Okay, so you undo the bolt, get a little pry tool and slowly pop that out. Okay, so you have that and then you have your basically white background and then the V. Okay, this one's actually kind of dirty. It's not even white anymore. It's, as you can see, it's stained, so we're probably gonna flip around this way or I'll try to clean this off real well. But let me go ahead and undo all of these and we'll get to working on this part of the video. All right guys, so we have our V's separated from the white background, which is not so white anymore. As you can see, there's an imprint probably from brake dust and road grime, but the back side is pretty clear. So I might just flip it on this side if I can clean it up perfectly well. So the background is still going to stay white, but we are gonna change the color of these. Now, I figured the best thing and the best color to go with is orange to match the brake calipers. So I have gone ahead and ordered, the first option I wanted to do was to plasti dip these orange. Do a white base coat, throw down an orange with a glossifier to make it glossy. But I was thinking about it today, and I'm like, why not just vinyl wrap it, because it's going to be super easy to vinyl wrap. So I did order some vinyl wrap for these today. Hopefully I get it by tomorrow. So in this video, I'm going to conclude it here. We have everything disassembled, and then when all my products come in, like the vinyl wrap, we'll start vinyl wrapping it. If it looks good and the color matches decently well to the calipers of the wheels, we'll stick with the vinyl. If not, we will try plastic dipping it. So please subscribe to stay up to date with the future video of the next step of this project. If you haven't already, click the bell icon to stay up to date, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.